Hello, welcome back to Civic Has No Garage。喂，咁今集咧就好鬼死興奮啊，因為咧我等咗2個月嘅玩具終於到咗啦。係乜嘢咧？就係佢啦！我終於有餐台食飯啦。By the way， 最近我個 Civic 翻嚟我手上啦，咁咧我就走咗去買一套拎啦，跟住又走去全架車洗咗個車，打咗個蠟。雖然咧佢頭頂嗰啲 clear coat 咧都已經甩地㗎啦，同埋好多披咗口，冇晒光油，咁但係都去打咗個蠟，咁樣就靚啲同埋好保護啲啦。咁同埋車頭燈都會打翻靚啦，而家都係好新淨嘅，睇起身。咁啊，呢個作為一個 daily driver 好好，因為佢冷氣好凍，同架 Miata 比咧 ，Civic 個冷氣咧凍好多，咁啊揸呢個車出街夏天舒服啲。今日就同大家一齊去開箱去拆呢一個 APR 嘅尾翼，同埋裝埋上個車度啦。Let's go! To complete the look of the Miata, I chose to spend the big bucks and got myself an APR GTC 200 wing. Cause go big or go home, right? You know, I just want to get there like the most aggressive look. I don't want to be like, let me just get a ducktail spoiler and see how it goes, and later on regret about it because I've already drew holes on the trunk. I chose this wing to finish off the build because it looks good on the car and it's also functional and adjustable. So if I ever go to a track again, I can play with the downforce. Hardware 同埋個 side plate 就喺呢度，哇，幾靚，靚立立啲手工，正。呢度咧就係個底座啦，咁底座會跟2塊膠墊，咁佢就唔會刮花你個 hood，I mean 你個 trunk 嘅。咁咧呢個就係個座啦，呢個又係個座啦，同埋呢個座裝上嚟呢度，咁樣可以校嗰個尾翼嘅 angle 啦，校 angle 高低嘅嘢啦。咁佢亦都會跟埋 hardware 啦，入面呢個咧就係嗰個 end plate 上面裝靚嘅，其他嗰啲就係裝成個尾翼一齊嘅，咁佢都跟埋啲六角匙啦，都幾貼心啦。事不宜遲，而家就即刻將佢放埋一齊。裝嘅時候都要輕輕望一望呢一個圖喎。裝錯咗，原來睇下咧呢一個 bracket 咧斜斜地嘅，咁佢係要係呢邊嚟嘅，所以呢個應該係右邊嘅，而呢一個咧係咁樣斜嘅，係呢一邊嚟嘅。哎呀！我一個唔小心買錯咗呢個增高墊啊，佢個 size 都唔一樣嘅。好啦，裝埋呢2個 plate 上去玩咗先啦，咁遲啲先補翻個 razor。跟住佢就教放把尺喺個角落頭度，跟住度18寸半。上面有寫住 front left 嘅，咁即係呢個係咁樣啦。攣嗰一邊就喺入面嘅，直嗰邊咧就同個 trunk 連埋一線。緊張嘅時間到啦，咁就要轉到個 trunk 度啦。鑽窿記得要用個 center punch 啦，咁就要喺呢度。哦，好痛啊！轉穿咗。正常咧就應該補翻少少油喺度等佢生鏽啊。不過呢個 trunk 係鋁嚟嘅，所以應該係唔會生鏽啊，唔需要咁樣嘅。咁而家就放呢個嘢上嚟啦。 Oh my god， 咁就裝咗上去啦。Wow， wow， OK， wow。Oh my god, this look, man. Look at this. 喺倒後鏡後面個感覺 Wow, look at that. Look at that. 記唔記得咧？有一集咧喺整 diffuser 嘅時候咧，我結尾嗰度影咗一張咁樣嘅相。我今日成功將呢張相實現咗，變成咗現實。After a year of hard work, my car is finally where I want it to be. And I think it's now fair to say that I want to enjoy driving this car. So I think this bodywork series is gonna stop for a little bit. Unless I crash the car again, touch wood. But that doesn't mean that I will stop making videos, right? Because there's a lot more stuff that I can do to the car, you know, like engines, turbos and stuff. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe and do all those essential stuff, please. Please. See ya!